Hi Owl Writers, welcome to Writers Workshop Day 4. Today we're going to focus on a closing sentence and using our Fix It Up checklist. Let's get started. Make sure you have your paper, a pencil, and your Fix It Up checklist before we start. If you don't have those things, pause the video. Here we go. Let's do a reminder. These are some closing sentence starters. You could say in conclusion, to end with, I learned, as you can see, for these reasons. You get to choose whichever one you want. I'm going to choose as you can see, but you get to choose whatever works for your writing and your brain. Here we go. My goodness, I'm just so excited about my sparkle words from yesterday. Here we go. As you can see, Dr. Pepper is my favorite drink for many, that doesn't look right. Many. I remember the rule, if you hear an E at the end of a word, many, it's normally a Y. That looks better. Many reasons. That doesn't look right. E, that must be a vowel team I need to add. There we go. Many reasons. What's your favorite? Isn't that a fun way to close out my writing? As you can see, Dr. Pepper is my favorite drink for many reasons. What is your favorite? It's like I'm talking to my audience. It's very exciting. Now I'm going to get my Fix It Up checklist and go through it with you. Here we go. I have a title. Yep. Begin with my sentence with an uppercase letter. You betcha. Finger spaces. You betcha. Punctuation? Yep, I've been working really hard on that. It definitely makes sense because I've been rereading it every day. I definitely worked really hard on spelling my words correctly, even my vowel teams. Those tricky vowels. My handwriting looks great. I started out writing really big and not on the line, but I fixed it right away. I definitely have sparkle words. And the only thing I think I need to add is I think I probably should add a setting to my picture. I don't have any details in the background. I'm going to work on that right now. So what I want you to work on is I want you to stop the video and I want you to do your closing sentence and I want you to use your Fix It Up checklist. I can't wait to see your writings.